In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your spreadsheet into Pipedrive fast. By the end, you'll have your data safely in Pipedrive and ready to use. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, head to your Profile menu. This is typically in the top right corner. Open that menu and look for the section called Tools and Apps. That's where Pipedrive keeps most of its setup utilities. Inside Tools and Apps, choose Import Data to open the Import wizard. On the Import screen, click Get Started. If Pipedrive asks you to specify data details or shows a pre-check screen, simply click Skip. A quick note on file types. Pipedrive supports both CSV and XLSX, but CSV is often the most reliable choice, especially if your data includes mixed formats. If your spreadsheet has various data types, skipping this pre-check helps you move straight to the file upload. Now, select Upload Spreadsheet and choose your file. Before you proceed, a quick quality tip. Make sure each column has a clear header. Dates use a consistent format, and each row represents a single record. This will save time later during mapping. When your file is selected, click Continue with Import. You'll land on the field mapping page. Here's why mapping matters. Pipedrive needs to know exactly which column in your spreadsheet corresponds to which field in the CRM. For example, your first name column should map to the person's first name field, company names to organization name, and deal titles to deal title. If any columns appear as unmapped, use the drop-downs to connect them to the correct Pipedrive fields. Unmapped fields are ignored, so take a moment to align anything important. If you're importing people, mapping an email or phone can help prevent duplicates. For organizations, the name is often key. Review your choices carefully so new data lands in the right place. When everything looks good, click Next. You'll see a brief review or confirmation step. This is your chance to double-check the summary and ensure you're creating the right types of records. Click Next again to continue. Finally, click Start Import. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a little while. You can keep working in another tab and return to check the progress. Once it's finished, your contacts, organizations, and deals will appear in Pipedrive exactly where you map them, letting you start filtering, segmenting, and working your pipeline immediately. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.